Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I just thought I'd do a really quick top tip on labelling up CAT5 CAT6 cables. What I have are these A4 sticky label sheets. They come in sort of packs of 10. I've actually found them sort of quite difficult to get them, but I will link below where you can pick these up on Amazon, which is where I got mine. What you do is you know on your laser printer you print out, it comes with a template, Word template, you print them out, and there's your lovely wraparound labels, and you just literally wrap them around the cable. Now the very important thing is have very clean hands, because otherwise you get dirt underneath there and it stops sticking. But as an extra belt and braces, because I have found that after a little bit of time the edges start to lift, and if you find that they've lifted after you've sort of put them in and you've terminated something on the end and you can't get to it, you can just trim off that sort of flapping sticky backed plastic, and that does seem to do the job. It doesn't peel further, it's literally just that end part that's perhaps just got a bit of dust on it. But to safeguard against that, what I'm doing is using just a little bit of heat shrink, transparent heat shrink, and then that wraps around that and makes them almost indestructible. So where's the... oh yeah, here it is. So to shrink them up, I use this little gas blowtorch. You only have to give it a quick flash, and it doesn't damage the heat shrink at all, and works it out. So if we just get that away from anything particularly delicate, and then I can show you that shrinking up. There we go, and that's it, nicely shrunk up. I can do the one next to it as well. There we go. So thanks again for watching Budget with Brian. That was labelling up CAT6 cables the neat way. If you've got a better way of doing that, please do shoot me a comment below, and as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.